really something. You know that? Yeah, he stopped it up again. Anything up in there? It looks good. There's my cinder block down in there. I got to dig that out. That's what I use to keep my level up a little bit. They pull lily pads and the rhizomes and whatever they can get their teeth on.
How big a beaver?
Oh, this guy's got to be good size. They usually average a couple of feet long. Their teeth are about 3 inches or more. They do. That's where they could build a house, you know what I mean? There, I hear it starting.
Looks pretty good.
Get the water to the cows across the lake.
Yeah.
And the piggies.
It's still up.
Yeah, it's up. I'm trying to get down there. It's a tractor. I was able to go around and mow on that far side, and now I can't pass again. One year they made a mud berm all the way around so that it raised the level up. I may have to follow. Look at them coming in. They're coming to get corn. I know, everybody's hungry. Here's my Muscovy. It's Scoby. Hey girl, what's going on? What's going on, baby? I'll get you some corn. Hang on. Come on, girl. Wags your tail like a puppy dog. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Mrs. Gravy. Gravy, she's not gonna let you have any of that. You better get on the other side. Told you. Good morning, boys and girls. Everybody's coming. I don't know if I brought enough for everybody. My goodness. Okay, Gravy, you'll have to fight for it. Sorry. What do you think, Ollie?
The beaver's been busy.
I don't think they've been on it last night, but boy.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what's worse, just to cut it down and try to drop it to land, and then, or to have to dig it out of the water. Scooty's got here and checked this the beaver dam on this side, it's an old dam, but they keep coming back and working on it a little bit. And if they get it stopped up, it'll stop all the water up on this side, and we'll have a second pond. I don't want that to come down on us while we're out here. We're gonna have to pull that, you know. Yeah, see that dam sitting down in there? It's barely got any water running through it. Just barely has water. So that was, it just came through. A big worm or snake.
Well, something will eat it. And most of the damage is caused by roots and beavers.
Yeah.
Oh.
People used to tell Dad he needed to take out all the trees around the pond, which makes total sense, but you've got some old ones that are up there, and you know, a root's gonna, it's only got as much space as the wall of the pond to go through, so
Yeah.
of course it's gonna come out on one side, and the water's just gonna follow that root system.
Yeah. Hey, don't you think about getting in that water now?
Get a tractor around here and get a hold of that one.
Okay.
Really? Is that a full beer?
Full beer.
Come on now.
Full beer.
Our new sign's coming. Yay. Gotta get back to paint. It's a little cool to paint today, but boy, that's looking so good. We're getting there with it. We just keep stopping it up every night. You know what that means?
What's that?
That means we gotta call Beaver guy.
Yep.